Everyone, let's talk about the UPSC Union Public Service Commission syllabus for 2020. And usually the syllabus is same for every year, and like examination pattern is almost same, though you cannot actually exactly predict what will be the question, or what kind of questions will be there, or what will be the weightage of certain sections in the paper. But overall you should have this knowledge, because it helps you take further decisions, and it will help you in administration. So it gives you a general background about these things, which are very much necessary for an administrator, because you are going to join the forces or administration as a bureaucrat. So let's begin. So I'll take you to 31. So I won't pause it, I just scroll it. This is the original notification. I am using the original notification from UPSC, and I'm going to use this. So this is syllabus for this examination. The paper one, there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 2 is qualifying marks, and paper 1 is about the general studies. So in paper 1, it is supposed to be 200 marks, and the duration is 2 hours. All questions are objective types. So we are going to take you through the syllabus. You can download this audio, or you can just download this file, so that you'll be able to memorize it in your own way, because the main intention of making this video is to make you, or to help you memorize all this stuff. So I'm only going to read it loud, and then in later videos I'll explain and I'll brief it, and I'll be able to further talk about these subtopics. So the first thing is current events of national and international importance. Second, history of India, ancient, medieval, and modern history, and Indian national movement, Indian and world geography, physical, social, economical geography of India and the world. You must see that it's about India and the world. Indian polity and governance, constitution, political system, panchayati raj, public policy, rights issues, economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives, extra. General issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change that do not require subject specialization. General science. Paper 2, 200 marks. Duration is 2 hours. Comprehension, interpersonal skills, including communication skills, logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making, problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy, number and relations, orders of magnitude, class 10th level, data interpretation, charts, graphs, tables. That's a sufficiency class 10 level. Now we'll go to the paper 1, paper 2. Okay, paper 1 is essay, paper 2 will talk about general studies, Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. Indian culture will cover the silent aspects of art forms, literature, and architecture from the ancient to modern times. Modern Indian history from about the middle of the 18th century until the present, significant events, personalities, issues. The freedom struggle, its various stages, and important contributions from different parts of the country. post independence consolidation and reorganization within the country. History of the world will include events from 18th century such as industrial revolution, world wars, withdrawal of national boundaries, colonization, decolonization, political philosophies like communism, capitalism, socialism, their forms, effects on society. Salient features of Indian society, diversity of India. Role of women and women's organization, population, associated issues, poverty, and developmental issues, urbanization, their problems and their remedies. Effects of globalization on Indian society. Social empowerment, communalism, regionalism, and secularism. Salient features of world physical geography, distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and Indian subcontinent. Factors responsible for location of primary, secondary and tertiary industry in various parts of the world, including India. Important geophysical phenomena such as earthquake, tsunami, volcanic activities, cyclone, etc. Geographical features and their locations, changes in critical geographical features including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna and the effects of such changes. Paper 3, General Studies 2, Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice and International Relations. Indian Constitution, Historical Underpinnings. Evolution, Features, Amendments, Significant Provisions and Basic Structure. Functions and responsibilities of union and the states, issues and challenges pertaining to federal structure, devolution of powers and finances up to local levels and challenges therein, separation of powers between various organs, dispute redressal mechanism and institutions. Government strives to have a workforce which reflects gender balance and women candidates. This is not the part. Okay. Comparison of Indian constitution scheme with that of other countries. Parliament and the state legislature, structure and functioning, conduct of business, powers and privileges and issues arising out of these. Structure, organization and functioning of executive and judiciary, ministries and department of the government, pressure groups and formal informal associations, their role in polity, salient features of the Representation of People's Act, appointment to various constitutional posts, powers, functions and responsibilities of various constitutional bodies, statutory, regulatory and various quasi judicial bodies. Government policies and interventions for development in various sectors and issues arising out of their design and implementation. Development processes and development industries, the role of NGOs, SHGs, various groups and associations, donors, charities, institutional and other stakeholders. Welfare schemes for vulnerable sections of the population by center and states, and the performance of these schemes, mechanisms, laws, institutions, and bodies constituted for the protection and betterment of these vulnerable sections. Issues relating to development and management of social sector services relating to health, education, human resources, issues relating to poverty, hunger, important aspects of governance, transparency and accountability, e-governance, applications, models, successes, limitations, and potential. Citizens' charters, transparency and accountability, and institutional and other measures. Role of civil services in democracy. India and its neighborhood relations, bilateral, regional, and global groupings and agreements involving India and or affecting India's interests, effect of policies and politics of developed and developing countries in India's interest, Indian diaspora. Important international institutions, agencies, fora, their structure, mandate. Paper 4, General Studies. Third, technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security, and disaster management. Indian economy and issues relating to planning, mobilization of growth, development, and employment, inclusive growth, and issues arising from it. Government budgeting, major cropping patterns in various parts of the country, different types of irrigation and irrigation systems, storage, transport, marketing of agriculture produce, and issues related constraints. E-technology in the aid of farmers. Issues related to direct, indirect farm subsidies and minimum support prices, public distribution systems, objectives, functioning, limitations, revamping, issues of buffer stock and food security, technology, missions, economics of animal rearing, food processing, and related industries in India. Scope and significance, location, upstream and downstream requirements, supply chain management. Land reforms in India. Effects of liberalization on the economy, changes in industrial policy and their effects on industrial growth. Infrastructure, energy, ports, roads, airports, railways. Investment models, science and technology, developments and their applications and effects in everyday life. Achievement of Indians in science and technology, indigenization of technology and developing new technology, awareness in fields of IT, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and issues relating to intellectual property rights. Conservation, environmental pollution and degradation, environmental impact assessment, disaster and disaster management, linkages between development and spread of extremism. Role of external state and non-state actors in creating challenges to internal security. Challenges to internal security through communication network, role of media and social networking sites in internal security challenges. Basics of cybersecurity, money laundering and its prevention, security challenges and their management in border areas, linkages of organized crime with terrorism, various security forces, agencies, and their mandate. Paper 5. Paper 5. General Studies 4, Ethics, Integrity, Aptitude. This paper will include questions to test the candidate's attitude and approach to issues relating integrity, probity in public life, and his problem-solving approach to various issues and conflicts faced by him in dealing with the society. Questions may utilize a case study approach to determine these aspects. The following broad areas will be covered. This I'll take up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.